Alrighty, well it looks like it is 7:15, so let's get started with our 2021 Bowman Draft Lite Baseball Random Team One Box Break number 1. Just like with all of our random team breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Lori in the top spot and Keith in the bottom spot. So we'll just paste that against our team list. Then I'll cut and paste over to the right and sort it by everybody's names. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Whoa. There we go. We'll sort it by everybody's names and see who has which teams, and then we'll tear into our box and see what we get. Should be a ton of first Bowman cards, a lot of refractors, all kinds of good stuff. All right, so Chris has the Rockies. Eric's got the Cardinals, the Cubs, and the Marlins. Hector's got the Astros, the Diamondbacks, and the Mets. Jeff has the Giants and the Padres. John has the Blue Jays, the Indians, and the Mariners. Keith has the A's, the Phillies, and the Yankees. Lawrence has the Red Sox and the Tigers. Lori has the Angels, the Braves, and the Nationals. Michael, and this is you. We're just getting ready to break here in a minute, just going through we just randomized the teams. We're going through who has which teams. You've got the Rangers, the Royals, and the Twins. Roger's got the Dodgers, the Rays, the Reds, and the White Sox. Steve has the Pirates, and Wayne has the Brewers and the Orioles. All right. So now that we have been through our list, let's open up our box and see what we get. So this is a Bowman Draft Lite box. Has 10 packs. I believe there are 16 cards in each pack. Of course, it's not much of a view there. Empty box. Pack number 1. And obviously, I will go through the base and stuff as we go through the packs. I will sleeve all the first Bowman chrome and paper cards, and those will be sent out, of course, to everybody. Denzel Clark there for the A's. Ty Madden for the Tigers. Beck, Bednar. Tyler Madsen. Then a Marcelo Mayer Genesis insert for the Red Sox. And then we have a Maddox Bruins first Bowman refractor for the Dodgers. Go ahead and sleeve up this insert as well. I'll go ahead and separate my chrome from my paper, just so it's a little easier on the back end there. All right, pack number 2. Doug Nikhazy for the Indians. Jay Allen for the Reds. Gavin Williams for the Indians. And then we have our first black and white Ray Wave refractor. Julio Carreras for the Rockies. Those things look cool. These are exclusive to the light boxes as well. I think there are 5 of them in each box, basically every other pack. And then we have a Shane Panizzi first Bowman Chrome Refractor for the Royals. Cade Brown for the Rockies. Rick Goswine for the White Sox. Gunnar Hoagland for the Blue Jays. Hey, Dusty, how are you doing this evening? Yeah, those look pretty cool. I like those. I'm glad they put an exclusive refractor variation in the Lite boxes. On to pack number 3. Kai Bush for the Angels. Carter Jensen for the Royals. Manzardo for the Rays. And we've got another Gavin Williams first Bowman for the Indians. Ryan Holgate for the Cardinals. And then we have the Invicta insert of Colton Cowser for the Orioles. Kind of a thicker card. My sentiments exactly, Dusty. I think these are 1 per case. Kind of tough. Very nice card for the Orioles spot. Then we've got a Cameron Cawley refractor for the Rangers. It's kind of a blue hue to it. And then we have a Pedro Leon refractor for the Stros. We'll go through the rest of our paper base. Pacheco for the Tigers. Ibarra for the Reds. And Audenbrecht for the Phillies. Pack number 4. Bubba Chandler for the Pirates. Ricky Tiedemann for the Blue Jays. And then we have a franchise futures insert. Gavin Williams and Doug McKaysey for the Indians. And then we have a Ray Wave refractor of Ryan Holgate for the Cardinals. And then right behind that, Malcolm Nunez refractor, also for the Cardinals. Donta Williams for the Orioles, McGreevy for the Cardinals, and Rodriguez Cruz for the Red Sox. Pack number 5. Tanner Allen for the Marlins. Sean Burke for the White Sox. Cooper Bowman for the Yankees. Tyler McDonough for the Red Sox. And then we have a purple Max Meyer paper parallel for the Marlins. That's serial numbered 211 out of 250. And our Chrome cards are Sam Bachman for the Angels. Then we have a Bowman Draft Night insert of Jordan Lawler for the Diamondbacks. And then we have a refractor of Ryan Cusick for the Braves. Jake Fox for the Indians. Peter Hubik for the Dodgers. and Christian Encarnacion Strand for the Twins. All right, on to the second half of our box. Pack number 6. Well, there we go. Henry Davis for the Pirates, Luke Murphy for the Angels, Andrew Painter for the Phillies, Cusick again for the Braves, Sal Frelick for the Brewers. Then we have Doug Nikhazy again for the Indians. Then we have a Genesis insert of Chase Petty for the Twins. Then we have a Ray Wave refractor of Po Yu Chen for the Pirates. And also a Isaac Pacheco first Bowman refractor for the Tigers. Maddox Bruins for the Dodgers. And Drew Gray for the Cubs. Pack number 6. Austin Love for the Cardinals. Jordan McCants for the Marlins. Brock Selvage for the Yankees. Sam Bachman again for the Angels. Bryce Miller for the Mariners. We have a upside down card. Nice purple refractor of Kyle Manzardo for the Rays. And that is serial numbered 59 out of 250. Nice refractor parallel there for the Rays spot. And then right behind that, we have a Raquelvin DeCastro refractor for the Blue Jays. TJ White for the Nationals. Benny Montgomery for the Rockies. Ben Kundra for the Royals. And Joe Mack for the Marlins. Pack number 8. Jaden Hill for the Rockies. Alex Binelas for the Brewers. Then we have a JT Schwartz for the Mets. And then we have a Hunter Goodman wave ray refractor for the Rockies. And a base refractor of J.J. Bleday for the Marlins. Pack number 9. Mikulski for the Giants. Tommy Mace for the Indians. Aaron Zavella for the Rangers. Then we've got JT Schwartz again for the Mets. Mikulski again for the Giants. Then we have a franchise futures insert of Marcelo Mayer and Tyler McDonough. Not exactly sure how to pronounce that. I'm sure I am doing it wrong. Then we have a Jacob Steinmetz refractor for the Diamondbacks. Kevin Kopps for the Padres. And Spencer Schwelbenbach for the Braves. Next pack. Cody Morissette for the Marlins. Robert Gasser for the Padres. Russell Smith for the Brewers. Jordan Veras for the Phillies. Sam Bachman for the Angels. Then we have a wave ray insert or parallel of John Rhodes for the Orioles. And then we have a Matthew Nelson refractor for the Reds. Chad Patrick for the Diamondbacks. John Rhodes for the Orioles again. And Lonnie White Jr. for the Pirates. All righty. Well, that concludes our 2021 Bowman Draft Lite Baseball Random Team One Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in just about 12 minutes with our 20 and 21 football random team 3-box mixer number 6. Thanks again, everybody. All right, get our boxes out here for our football mixer.